Okay, start. Which page number? 58?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, begin. Mr. Lamb and Derry, begin fast.
No, not the whole of you, not of you.
Hmm.
Yes.
Later on, when it is a bit cooler, I will get the ladder and a stick and pull down those crab apples. They are ripe for it. I make
Right, right.
jelly
Yes.
right for it. I
Hmm.
make jelly. It is a good time of year.
Hmm.
September, look at them. Oranges and golden. That's magic fruit, I often say. But it is best picked and made into jelly. You could give me a hand.
Okay. Okay, now just wait. Okay,
What?
now here, 1 minute, Ashwati. Uh,
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Daddy says that I'm a boy, and whosoever looks at me, he's scared, he's afraid of me, and thinks that I'm the ugliest thing that he has ever seen. And maybe this might also happen with you, and it happens with me also when I look myself into the mirror. Okay. And then Mr. Lamb, he says that now when it is going to be a bit cooler, I will get the ladder and a stick. Ladder, you know, na सीढ़ी जो होती है, ठीक है, and a stick and pull down those crab apples. I'm going to pluck the crab apples. Why? Because they are ripe for it. I make jelly. Now he says that I make jelly from those crab apples, and the crab apples now they are ripened. Okay, पक चुके हैं, and it is a good time of year. सबसे बढ़िया समय है of the year, September month. Look at them, orange and golden, and those apples, you know, they are orange and golden, beautiful apples they are. Okay, and they are ripe and they are ready, that they should be, that jelly should be made out of them, and that is a magic fruit, I often say. But it is best picked and made into jelly. और कहते हैं magic fruit है, लेकिन September month is the best month where they can be picked and jelly could be made. And you could also give me a hand. Give me a hand means you could also help me in making jelly. Yes, now you read. Read up till the
What?
end.
What have you changed the subject for? People always do that. Why don't you ask me? Why do you do what they all do and pretend it isn't true and it isn't there? In case I see you looking at mine and get upset, I will tell. You don't ask me because you are afraid to.
You want me to ask? Say so. Then
I don't like being with people, any people.
I should say to look at it. I should say you got burned in a fire.
Not in a fire. I got acid all down that side of my face and it burned it all away. It ate my face up. It ate me up. And now it's like this and I won't ever be any different.
Okay, now stop here. Okay. Now, when Mr. Lamb he changes the topic, so Derry, you know what I said, he's a very outspoken child, and he says, "What have you changed the subject for? Why did you change the subject?" He was talking about his burnt face and all, and about the people. And then he says, "People always do that. You know, people, other people." He talks about other people. Ki whenever there is a topic, there is the subject of my burnt face, people they try to change the subject. Why don't you ask me? Why do you do what they all do and pretend it isn't true and isn't there? अब he wants to say कि why don't you ask me what has happened to my face? Okay, तुम वो क्यों कर रहे हो? That everybody does. Okay, all people do, and they pretend, और ऐसे pretend करते हैं looking at me that this is not true, means I did not have any burnt face, I am not having burnt face. इस तरह से pretend कर रहे हो. In case I see you looking and mind and get upset, but I can see you, you're looking at my face, okay, and you are getting upset on seeing my ugly face, I'll tell you, you don't ask me because you are afraid to. और फिर कहता है, I know the reason why you are not asking me about my burnt face. Why? Because like other people also, you too are afraid of it. Mr. Lamb कहते हैं, okay fine, if you want me to ask the reason, okay fine then. I don't like being with people, any people. लेकिन डैडी कहता है, you know, I don't like the company of people. Okay, I don't want to be with anybody. I should say, to look at it, I should say you got burnt in a fire, है ना. अब इसकी बात पर ये ध्यान नहीं देते मिस्टर लैम्प, और आप आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं कि looking at your face, you know, yes, I can say that you got burnt in a fire, your face got burnt in a fire. तब डैडी कहता है, not in a fire. Okay, now listen. I got acid all down that side of my face. समझ में आया? Acid, it fell down on the side of my face and it burnt it away. Clear? उसके चेहरे पर half of the face got burnt due to the acid. Okay, it fall on him. It ate my face up. Now he says that acid, you know, it had eaten my face. It ate me up. It has also eaten me. Eaten me means from inside he is very, very much hurt, you know. And when people, they look at him, okay, they start talking about his ugly face. They are scared of him. He gets too much hurt. तो कहता है उसने मेरा चेहरा तो खाया but internally also that acid, it had eaten me up and now it is like this and it won't ever be any different. Okay, and now my face is like this and always ever it will remain the same. Got it better?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
चलो आगे का
Yes,
करो,
ma'am.
फटाफट करो.
No.
Aren't you interested?
You are a boy who came into the garden. Plenty do. I am interested in anybody, anything. There is nothing God made that doesn't interest in me. Look over there, over beside the far wall. What can you see?
Rubbish.
Rubbish? Look, boy, look. What do you see?
Just grass and stuff, weeds.
Some call them weeds. If you like, then a weed garden that. There is fruit and there are flowers and trees and herbs and sorts, but over there weeds. I grow weeds there. Why is one green growing plant called a weed and another flower? Where is the difference? It is all life growing same as you and me.
We are not the same.
I am old, you are young. You have got a burnt face, I have got a tin leg. Not important. You are standing there. I am sitting here. Where is the difference?
Why have you got a thin leg?
Real one got blown off. Years back, Lammy Lamb, some kids say. Haven't you heard them? You will Lammy Lamb, it fits. Doesn't trouble me.
But you can put on trousers and cover it up and no one sees. They don't have to notice and stare.
Some do, some don't. They get tired of it in the end. There is plenty of other things to stare at.
Like my face.
Like crabapple or the weeds or a spider climbing up a silken ladder or my tall sunflowers.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, fine, beta. I'll explain till here. Okay. Now see, when he says that I got burnt, it ate me up, it ate my face, it ate me internally, and now I will always be looking like this. But Mr. Lamp, you know, he doesn't agree with him. Okay. So Derry, he thinks, aren't you interested? That Derry thinks that Mr. Lamb was not interested in his story. तो इसका जवाब मिस्टर लैम देते हैं कि of course he is interested. He says in each and every thing that God has made. Now you are a boy who came into the garden, plenty do. I'm interested in anybody means he's interested in everybody, you know. He says you are a boy who entered my garden, I'm interested in you. Plenty do. Many people, they come to my garden. Plenty of children, they come to my garden and I'm interested in everything, you know, anything. There's nothing God made that does not interest me. Okay, God ने ऐसा कुछ नहीं बनाया जिसमें मेरा interest नहीं है. Means each and everything created by God I am interested in. Look over there, over beside the far wall. What can you see? Okay, and then he points out towards the wall और कहते हैं बताओ what can you see there? तो Derry reply देता है rubbish. Okay, rubbish. Look boy, look, what do you see? Again है ना, was emphasize करके कहते हैं again you just look there and just find out what do you see. तो Derry कहता है grass and stuff. Okay, I can see grass and stuff. Okay, weeds. Okay, weeds क्या होता है? Unwanted plants जो होते हैं ना, wild plants जो उग जाते हैं. अब देखो मिस्टर लैम क्या कहते हैं. Some call them weeds. If you like, then a weed garden. That there is fruit and there are flowers and trees and herbs. Okay. अब कुछ लोग weeds बोलते हैं. यदि तुम चाहो तो you can call it a weed garden. अब fruits हैं garden में, flowers हैं, trees हैं, herbs हैं. Okay. All sorts means every type of plant is there. Okay, good plants are there, unwanted plants are there. Okay, wild plants are there. Okay, and why is one green growing plant called a weed and another flower? अब वो ये कहना चाहते हैं कि why one growing plant is called a weed, है ना? The weed is also green in color. It is also growing like other flowers, but still it is considered as a weed. और another जो है जो grow कर रहा है, that is considered something good, और उसे कहा जाता है flower, right? What is the difference? Now he says, now what is the difference? Where is the difference? It's all life growing, same as you and me. Getting it? Means it depends on us how we take the things, how we look at the things. Okay, all are plants, but people they differentiate ki, yes, this is a beautiful plant, this is a good plant, and this is a wild plant. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं बेटा?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
है ना? तो ऐसा क्यों है? वो कहते हैं where is the difference? Okay, difference है कहाँ? It's all life growing, even life is growing in them, like life it grows in people. Means he just want to say कि daddy चाहे वो कैसा भी दिखे, but there is no difference between daddy and other people. Okay, daddy and me are just the same. Getting it or not? Everybody is a human being, so he considers everyone as same. He does not differentiate. Okay, same as you and me, he says. Got it? Means in reality, he says that everybody is same, just as you and me. Got it? अब डेरी जो है मैंने कहा ना बड़ा आउटस्पोकन है, वो नहीं सहमत होता है. He does not agree and says we are not the same. तो मिस्टर लैम कहता है, I'm old, you are young. This is the difference. You have got a burnt face, I have got a thin leg. Okay, not important. This is not important. कोई important बात नहीं है. After all, life तो है, हम human beings तो हैं. You are standing there, I am sitting here. Where is the difference? Getting it? समझ में
yes,
आया?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समझाना चाहते डिफरेंस कहाँ है भाई? सब में
Yes,
लाइफ
ma'am.
एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग यू नो इट इज सेम. सबके अंदर फीलिंग्स हैं. ओके, सबके अंदर इमोशंस हैं, एवरीथिंग यू नो. तो वो चाहते हैं कि ही शुड थिंक दैट एवरीबॉडी इज सेम. ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि वो अपने आप को डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम ऑल दी अदर पीपल एंड ही इज ट्राइंग टू रिमेन अलूफ. Okay, from the people, as he says कि I don't want to mix with any of the people, I don't want to be with anybody. तो वो चाहते हैं that he should be with everybody. वो देख लेते हैं उसका एक negative aspect towards the life. Okay, तो वो यही कहते हैं कि लोग differentiate करते between plants, but plants are plants, whether it is a wild plant or a flower one. Okay, everything has life, same as you and me. Right? But he does not agree. And Mr. Lamb says, so see now, where is the difference? बस यही है कि I'm old, you are young. Okay? You are having a burnt face, I'm having a thin leg. कहीं ना कहीं तो सब में ही कमी है. That is not important. But you are standing there and I'm sitting here, so where is the difference? तो जैसे ही वो कहता है chin leg, now he inquires, why have you got a chin leg? आपके chin leg क्यों है? He wants to know. तो वो कहते हैं real one got blown off years back. Lemmy lamb, some kids say. Okay, now he says ki the real one, you know, many years ago, the real one, it was blown off in the war. Lemmy lamb. और फिर वो कहता है कि the kids, you know, they tease me by calling Lemmy lamb. मुझे कहकर मुझे tease करते हैं. And it fits. Or this name suits me. Lame is my lamb is my name and I'm lame, so Lemmy lamb. Children they call me, and this name, you know, it suits me. It fits. It does not trouble me. Means I don't have any problem when children they tease me by this name. But you can put on trousers and cover it up and no one sees. They don't have to notice and stares. Okay, लेकिन dairy, you know, वो कहता है you have an option. You can cover up your leg. Okay, you can cover it up and nobody is going to notice and nobody would stare. But how will I cover up? He wants to say, how will I cover up my burnt face? When anybody looks at my burnt face, he or she starts staring at me. आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
बस ये दो lines और. Some do, some don't. Okay. Some people they stare, some doesn't. Okay, they get tired of it in the end. Matlab, how long they are going to stare? Okay, finally they all get tired. Why? Because there's plenty of other things to stare at. देखा कितनी पॉजिटिविटी है मिस्टर लैम के अंदर. कहते हैं हाँ लोग स्टेयर करते हैं लेकिन कब तक करेंगे. Finally they become tired of staring, or how long they are going to stare me. Okay, because in the world there are many other things to stare at. हाँ, तो फिर डैडी कहता है लाइक माई फेस, जैसा मेरा चेहरा है. तो मिस्टर लैम है ना, उस पॉइंट से हटके कहते हैं लाइक क्रैब एप्पल्स और द वीड्स और अ स्पाइडर क्लाइंबिंग अप अ सिल्कन लैडर और माय टॉल सनफ्लावर्स. गॉट इट?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we stop here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Meta, thank you, thank you.
Thank you,
God bless
ma'am.
you all. And really
Thank you,
sorry,
ma'am.
really sorry for the network problem we had today. Thank you. God bless you.